Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I'm here with yet another beautiful stitch which uses the post stitch and the V stitches also. So this is a front post DC V shell stitch and diamonds are formed here. So this particular pattern requires multiples of 7 plus 2 foundation chains, and this swatch I have worked with my 5.5 mm clover amor hook and chili pepper red hobby store 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn. It's Aran yarn, medium weight 4. It's a 5-ply yarn and the color code is 2043. For demonstration I am going to use a lighter shade which is baby pink. The same material yarn and color code 2032. Let me make the necessary number of chains and get back to you. I have made 2 multiples of 7 plus 2, so 16 chains. Work a DC on the 4th chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4th chain from the hook. You work 1 double crochet. And 1 double crochet in each chain across. So make the double crochets, friends. I shall also make double crochets in each chain across. I shall meet you at the end here. I have placed 1 DC all across. Now chain 3 and turn or make a standing double crochet here at the end for row 2. 1 DC in the next. Chain 1, skip 1, and in the next, that is chain 1, skip the next and place a front post double crochet. Again chain 1, skip next and place 1 DC in each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 1, skip the next DC, front post DC in the next, chain 1, skip the next and place 1 DC in the last 2 DCs. 1 will be on the turning chain. So this is how it looks after row 2. You can make chain 3 and turn or make a standing double crochet here. Very first stitch you make a double crochet, chain 1 and place 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now the third row is very interesting. Chain 1, skip this DC, skip this chain space, skip the front post, skip this chain 1 space, skip this DC, and then place 1 double crochet in the middle DC here. Chain 1, 1 DC in the same stitch. Again 1 DC in the next, chain 1 and a DC in the same stitch. So you are ideally working DC, chain 1, DC in each of the 2 middle DCs of the 4 DC group. You have 4 DCs made in the second row, and in the middle 2 DCs you are making DC V stitches in both of them. And again chain 1, in the end you skip all this, and in the end here make a DC V stitch. This is row 3. So don't worry if it is curling, it will get set when you make the pattern in the next rows. Row 4, you can make chain 3 and turn or make your standing DC here. I go by the standing DC. this is the V stitch we made in the corner. So place 2 DCs here. Chain 1, and we have made the V stitches, and in the chain 1 space of V stitches place 3 DCs. And again here 3 DCs. Chain 1, and in the last chain 1 space, that is chain 1 of this V stitch here, 2 double crochets and a double crochet on the last stitch or the turning chain. So this is how it will look now. Row 5 is a very simple one. Make 1 DC in each stitch across. So you have the option of making chain 3 and turning, or turn and make your first DC here in the very first stitch. Again 1 DC in each of the next 2 DCs. DC under the chain 1 space here. DC in each of the next 6 DCs. Remember, we have not placed any chain space between these 2 sets. Chain 1, DC in the chain 1 space. Again DC in each of the last 3 stitches. This completes our set of 1 pattern repeat. This is how it looks. So if you want to make some projects with little gaping holes, not much, little holes, and with some nice pattern, you can go with this stitch. This is a versatile stitch for summer garments. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this stitch. If you have any queries, you can post in the comments, and if you want the written pattern, you please write in the comments. I can send it across to you in your mail. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every day. Have a great day friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.